how to apply Noon discount code. If you want to apply for a discount code on the Noon app, it is rather quite a simple process for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Noon app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now what you want to do from here is you want to log into your account, right? To apply for a discount code, first of all place whatever you want to order to your cart, because you have to apply the discount code during the checkout process on the cart page. So tap on the cart icon from the bottom right. Just check if all your products are entered correctly. Now you scroll down. Before you hit the checkout button, simply scroll down and look for this option called enter coupon code. So right here you can see it says enter coupon code and apply. So here you want to simply tap on enter your coupon code, hit the apply button. You can also tap on view all discounts to be able to see all the discounts that you have right here. And once you've done that, you'll be able to get certain amount of discount on your Noon app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.